Alright guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to print those order slips that you guys are gonna place on each order that you guys are going to deliver. Basically what you want to do is once you have access to this page, what you're looking at basically right now is the dashboard of your website, and you will have access to this with some login information that I'm going to send you along with this video, which will be your username and password. And I'm going to also send you a link to the login page that you will need to access this page. What you want to do once you're in here is go to the tab to your left which says WooCommerce. You're going to hover over that. Then you're going to come down here to orders. Okay. And basically what you're going to see here are all the orders that are coming in. Now, as you guys can see here in the very top, you have some filter options. You can filter by date. I think you can do it by months. You cannot do it by weeks or anything like that, but you can do it by months. And this is where you will do that. Once you select the filter, you go click filter, and it's just gonna filter out all the what you're asking for here. So if you guys see a new order coming in and it's this one per se, and like you guys see, I did this one an hour ago. It's giving me the date the order was placed. I can see the total of that order. Obviously, I changed the price, but you can do two things here. If you want to just print one, you can either print a PDF invoice, which is if the customer wants an invoice, you can do that, or you want an invoice for your records, a printed invoice if you want to do that, or you can do what's called a packing slip, okay, or a packing or order slip. You can just click over this. It's going to take you to a new window, okay, in your dashboard, and as you guys can see, you guys will be able to see the customer's name and address and what they order, the order number and the date, right? A little bit of branding here with your name and address, and you guys will also be able to see the where people can add their PIN code. So for instance, here the customer is adding, please use this PIN code, and then this PIN code, enter building and leave package by my door. Okay, this you'll be able to place in there, and this is a letter size slip that you guys can print and just insert it in those packages. And you can just go up here and either download it. This is to download, or you can choose to print. Okay, you can do that here. Now, if you guys want to do a bulk of these prints, or a bulk of these slips, all you got to do is let's see, you come back. Oh well, you're here, right? What you're gonna do is select, let's say these were done this week per se, right? We're gonna print all of these. We're gonna select them all, like one by one, like this. Or if you know that you want to select the whole month, I don't know if you guys are gonna do that. You can just click here. It's gonna select them all. Okay, it's gonna select them all. Or of course, you can just go one at a time like this. Okay, you just click whatever you want to print, the ones that you're gonna print, and then go here to where it says PDF packing slip. Okay, you click on that, then you're gonna click apply, and as you guys gonna see, you guys are gonna see all the orders here. I think it's Melissa's orders here. Here you go. This is where you're gonna see how many of each, what's the package. This is a little bit of the customer's notes. They put the customer notes, and a little bit of information here about Melissa's the address or so. Okay, so this is what basically is gonna look like. You're gonna see the notes here, Obviously these are, I'm just testing here, but you guys will be able to see the notes there and just place them in there. All right, and then you can either download them if you want to download them here, or you can print them here. All right, so I know you guys see this. Maybe you guys are looking at this is where it says shipping method. I think I'll be able to remove that, but for right now, it's not giving any information. So, but I'll try to remove that for now. Okay, so that's the way you do it. That's how you print a bulk of packing slips. All right. So if you guys have any other questions about how to do this or anything else, please let me know. And thank you for watching the video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.